This bird looks like it walked out of prehistory, and it kills without warning. This is the shoebill stork. It lives deep in African swamps. It can stand completely still for hours, waiting. When prey moves, it strikes. The shoebill crushes animals with its beak. Fish, snakes, even baby crocodiles. That beak is not for display. It's a weapon. The sound it makes is not a call. It sounds like a machine gun. This bird doesn't hunt like modern animals. It hunts like something ancient. The shoebill is real. It's alive, and it's watching you right now. Follow for land creatures nature forgot to erase.